Shit. I know who I be. Jamaica, Jamaica, what's poppin'? This information I got for y'all today is strictly for you. If you're a Jamaican and you're living in Jamaica right about now, I suggest you get your digital wallet. And what I mean by that is this. Cryptocurrency is taking over the world. We'd like to call it magic money. You know what I mean? Better interest than the bank in which your money is in right now. Way much better interest. You know what I mean? So it's going to be from fiat to crypto. Fiat is basically paper money, which is going out of style. You know what I mean? Here in Jamaica, Bank of Jamaica talking about a digital currency. You know what I mean? They're going to change out your fiat, which means your dollars, and turn it into crypto. But I could tell you this, you won't be getting as much interest as you're supposed to get because you already know how the bank get down. But cryptocurrency, lucky for crypto, you're your own bank. You could collect 100% of your interest. Ooh, just imagine that. Just imagine you banking your own money in your own bank and you collecting 100% interest off your own money. That's basically it right there. You're your own bank. So basically what I'm telling you, you'll never have to bank your money in a bank again. Well, you'll be banking it in your own bank. That's what crypto is all about, you feel me? But my message for today is, you know what I mean, to the Jamaican people living in Jamaica at this point in time, I want y'all to get y'all digital wallet, you know what I mean? And the wallet in which we're working with at this point in time, there's several different digital wallets, come on. You know what I mean? But we went for the finest at this point in time. So the finest digital wallet right now for Jamaica is the Waves wallet. You know what I mean? That's the ultimate crypto wallet right now for Jamaica. I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time because some people are just ignorant to, you know what I mean, educating themselves, uplifting their knowledge. You know what I mean? They just go with the flow. So when they get robbed, they're gonna get robbed with the flow. You feel me? You know what I mean? This is my ballot wallet that I store all my crypto on offline. So when they have scrupulous people trying to get to your money, they can't get to mine because it's offline. You get what I'm saying? My wallet is offline. My bag, my dollars, my everything, my crypto, my whatever amount of money I got is not online. It's offline. So in order for the scrupulous ones to try and get it, my money will have to be online. Sorry. This ain't these banks that are scrupulously being manipulated and getting robbed. I'm not that type of bank. So, to all my fellow Jamaicans, please contact 876-775-1921. That's 876-775-1921. Just ask to speak to the professor. He'll let you know everything you need to know about digital currency, cryptocurrency, digital wallets, everything you need to know. And to my Jamaican people, if I didn't care, I wouldn't be sharing this information with you. That's how serious it is. You know what I mean? I want to see all Jamaicans win. Don't you think it's about that time we all win? So if you want to win, even with the littlest amount of money that you got, that's how you start to win. This is how you start to win. Get involved in cryptocurrency. Control your own wallet. You know what I mean? Control your own money, no matter the amount. You know what I'm saying? Whether from $1 to $100 million. No IRS, no nothing determining what they should take from your money or what you should give this person or that person or what taxes should be taken. Listen, crypto is the way to grow. But if you don't want to take heed, I don't want to hear later on that I didn't tell you so. Because I'm telling you now. So for more information about anything that has to do with crypto, contact the professor. I'm going to give you the number again. That's the seriousness of this nature right now. 876-775-1921. Get your crypto wallet right away. Get your digital wallet right away. You know what I mean? Everything will be explained to you. And you're going to see your money just double, triple right in front of your eyes. This ain't a game. But if you want to think it's a game, then that's you. Your grandchildren, your great-great-grandchildren will be asking, so why didn't you just invest in a wallet? Why didn't you just invest in a coin? You know what I mean? It's going to be your fault. You know what I mean? Educate yourself, then state yourself. Take a look in the mirror and rate yourself. We all got to start from somewhere. I started from the bottom. You know what I mean? So there's no place for me to go now except up. So I'm on my way up. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, contact the professor for that digital wallet. Please do it immediately. Don't even wait, and tell him Knock Life sent you. Knock Life said to call. Simple. You know what I mean? Knock Life said to call. You have information about the digital assets, the digital wallet, everything. Watch your money triple within minutes, right in front of your eyes. It's your own money. You know what I mean? You have control over it. No matter the amount. No IRS. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, they don't want us to, you know what I mean? That's why if you don't believe me, right? I'm going to give you something to check out. They have this system called PayPal. Everyone should know about PayPal, right? They got this system called PayPal, right? When you go on PayPal, this is for my Jamaican people. When you go on PayPal right now, if you have a PayPal here in Jamaica or you have a Jamaican PayPal, there is no way for you to buy cryptocurrency through your PayPal. But if you go on a PayPal, United States, England, or Canada, on that PayPal, you can purchase crypto. Now, if crypto wasn't important, why would PayPal be giving you an outlet to purchase cryptocurrency? I mean, listen, don't take my word for it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You don't have to take my word for it. But please, I'm advising you to do your own research. It's that simple. And this goes for my family and friends as well. You know what I mean? They know how long I've been where I'm at right now. They know the situation. But they know that I'm highly educated. You know what I mean? So you could have more than me right now. You never gave me a helping hand. It's all good. I'm here, still trying to come up, still doing me, still taking care of the family. As you can see, son healthy as ever. You know what I mean? But I'm still giving you food for thought, giving you positive advice to get involved in cryptocurrency. To my family, friends, and fans, crypto is the new way to grow. So please get involved. Don't say I didn't tell you so. You know what I mean? I'm in the third world right now. So it doesn't mean that I'm in the third world. I can't give you first world advice. As a matter of fact, where you at in the States right now, they don't even want black people to get involved in cryptocurrency because they know that crypto will take a black nation to the next level of wealth. Food for thought. I'm out.